Alrighty, welcome back to another video about SudsyCRM. This video, we're going to be talking about conversations and contacts. This is something where I think the CRM really excels. A few things about what this is. We get this question a lot, kind of what differentiates your software versus like others in the auto detailing industry. With this, we have a unified area that you can have all your messages. So the hardest thing about owning a detailing business, well, I guess any service-based business, is in the morning, how many places do you have to check for messages from your customers? For me, before I had this software, it was my cell phone, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Google My Business, my email. I'd also like anywhere that has like a message inbox. It was the death of me. I'd have to look at my website for quotes coming in. Did I get any quotes? I would miss emails. It was a mess. What this software really does, and I'll really show you, is we call it the unified um, kind of conversation area or inbox. Okay, this. This is the unified inbox, is what I call it. What it does is all your emails can go here, your text messages to the system go here, your Google reviews. If you get a new Google review, it goes here. If you get a voicemail, it goes here. All your calls are recorded and it goes here. So everything in the morning, you can literally just go, okay, Sudsy CRM, conversation, boom, has everything you need to do, everything you need to reply to. You can also reply to it right here. What I'm going to show you real quick is in contacts, which is cool. This is what it kind of looks like. So it's just me messing around with this. But you have a bunch of different windows. This is obviously your contacts information, right? You have different tags. You can see what opportunities are open. You can see where they're at in the pipeline. So all the information here. I can text or email them. So if you want to text, email them, WhatsApp them, you can do that too. What else I'm a big fan of is you can do opportunities. So you'll see where they're at in the pipeline. So let's say they get a quote or they want ceramic coating, blah, blah, blah. You can see on the content, okay, this is his history. So I can look back. Like, let's say I reached out to a customer in 2022. I can look back and say, okay, we reached out to you in 2022. Now he's a new car. So you can say, oh, whatever happened to that Lexus? Like, how do you know I have a Lexus? Oh, yeah, we talked to you. I remember I talked to you like years ago. Like, how do you remember that? Nice and easy. You have tasks if you want to make tasks for them. I love notes. I love notes here, and this is what I do when I'm on the phone. I like writing. Like I'm a pen paper kind of guy. I like scribbling. It's bare. No one can read it. So what I like about this is I can after the call and kind of go into the notes and write things like has a golden retriever, has a German shepherd, wife's name is this, also has this car, mother-in-law is going to be selling her car soon. Anything that's information that I think might be useful for a call later, I'll do that. So when they call back or if I'm following up, I have all their notes here. So I'll be like, oh, like let's say they're here for a detail. Oh, is whatever their dog's name, Shadow. Do you have a dog here in your car? Yeah, how do you remember my dog's name Shadow? Oh yeah, you told me last year. I still have dogs. Whatever. So it kind of gives you a good area. I feel this is, and there's other features I like too. Yeah. But for me, this is my best thing. This is what saves me the most money is being able to do this. You can also like write internal comments. Like if you want to write something like customer will call back, or if you want to do like um, full front, get the Grammarly thing down, full front PDF 4500, like whatever you want to do. You can save this as an internal comment so they don't see this. This is only you. So anyone on the CRM can see this. But you can also write notes on the customer's account, phone calls. I've talked about this before, but like you can call them through your computer if you want. All your phone calls are recorded. So if you want to know when did they call, when did they leave a message, it's all in one place. I also had issues before, like when I was in business, where like my cell carrier would only let me get 5 messages. My voicemail. There was times like on weekends when I was closed that people would leave messages and would fill up, and then by Sunday afternoon I couldn't get any more voicemails. Versus this, they're always there. You're not going to run out. It's all nice and easy. You can put information in here. It's just this is one of the best things. So if I were to kind of recap about everything I'm talking about here, conversations, one place to handle your emails, your texting, your communication. If you want to have like a live chat on your website, that can all go there too. It's all done in the CRM. Pay extra for it. It's done. Emails, contact, follow ups, all in there. Everything is all in conversation. So we can do that here. Every morning, I literally open this inbox. I can see all the different things we have going on, all the people I have to reply to, everything. It's all in one place. Say goodbye to the days of looking through your emails. You miss this, you miss that. It's literally impossible to miss because it's going to filter through all the other crap that you don't need to see versus like your email. So, if you have any questions about this feature, conversations, it's a pretty easy one, or even going through contacts and figuring it out. And that's just kind of tip of the iceberg. You can get real deep into automation. Reach out, put a comment below, send us an email at contact@SudsyCRM.com. It's going to be in the description too, or on the website. We have a form there. You can reach out to us. We'll get those questions answered and kind of get you in the right area. Have a great rest of your day. Talk soon.